I'm going to show you this battery quick disconnect for today. You can see I have this on here pretty loose. And if I leave it like that, it'll kind of cause this to cross over if I'm going to install it like that. But I don't think that's the best idea. What about switching it back around this way? Well, then I run into the battery cap. Well, what you might not realize, and what I didn't realize until recently, is this can be switched around. This part can go on this side and vice versa. So I want to show you how to do that, where your terminal will hook up over here, and this will be on the other side, and when this comes down, it will be hitting here. So we'll take this off here. We want to loosen each side. Just keep track of what you're doing here. See how it has that where it meets up with that? Just get your screw started. Just a little bit tighter there, not all the way. We want to make sure we line it up good. Make sure that it's going to hit that correctly. That's how it's going to go for the most part. So now we can put our final tightening on it. Now you can see if I go over here, place that on the battery, I can easily put my cable on there, or I can change that terminal around so this doesn't interfere. Better yet, I can take this little piece off. So I have moved this bolt over here to this side. I've stretched the terminal end out a little bit more just so I can get this to where it'll slide down all the way on there, and I can tighten it up. You can see how that'll go on. Not real thrilled with the side that this is on, so I'll change that as well. I went ahead and tightened everything up, and I have the switch off. I'm getting ready to turn it on. That way this is grounded. So if that's grounded, I have less opportunity to shock myself when I'm hooking the positive side up. Now I have both sides tightened up. All I have to do is lift the lever up. There shouldn't be any more parasitic draining. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Make It Work Dan.